Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor. The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor arrives with an aggressive facelift that reinforces its identity as the ultimate off-road performance truck. The exterior now features a redesigned front fascia with a bolder grille, sleeker LED headlights, and an even more muscular stance. Wider fenders, new skid plates, and updated bumpers give the Raptor a tougher, more commanding presence, while fresh wheel designs and exclusive exterior color options highlight its rugged appeal. Under the hood, the 2026 Raptor retains its potent 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6, delivering immense horsepower and torque for extreme terrain. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Ford's advanced terrain management system, the Raptor excels on sand, rock, and dirt alike. For thrill seekers, the Raptor R variant returns with a supercharged V8 engine, pushing power and performance to new heights for those demanding the most from their truck. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Raptor blends utility with premium technology. A large 12-inch touchscreen powered by SYNC 5 offers seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster, optional Recaro performance seats, and rugged interior materials give the cabin a sport-focused yet refined feel, ready for both the trail and the daily drive. Safety and driver assist features are upgraded as well, making the 2026 Raptor smarter and more capable. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system designed to aid off-road navigation. With its fusion of brute strength, cutting-edge tech, and trail-ready design, the latest F-150 Raptor solidifies its position as a leader in the high-performance pickup segment. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.